When people think of paella, they usually picture the sun-drenched beaches of Valencia. But if you travel deep into the misty mountains of Ripollès, Catalonia, rice takes on a completely different soul. Out here, it's all about the forest, the game, and the wood fire. Today, we are mastering an authentic mountain classic, a rich, deeply savory duck and forest mushroom paella. Every great mountain rice starts with an incredible flavor foundation. First up on our ingredient list is the duck. We drop it into a screaming hot pan to sear it hard. We want to render out all that magnificent, rich duck fat until the skin gets beautifully crispy. Once it's golden brown, we take it out and let it rest on the side. Do not wash this pan. That leftover liquid gold is where the magic happens. Now, we drop our fresh wild mushrooms right into that hot duck fat, letting them absorb all that intense flavor. As they caramelize, it's time for the aromatics. In goes the minced garlic, followed immediately by our fresh chopped tomatoes. We are building a traditional sofrito, the slow-cooked, concentrated heartbeat of Spanish gastronomy. To lock it all together, we dust a generous hit of sweet Spanish paprika over the top. Keep it moving so it toasts perfectly without ever burning. Next up, the liquid gold. We pour in a robust, hot chicken stock that instantly deglazes the pan, pulling up all those caramelized sugars from the bottom. Immediately follow that with a generous pinch of real saffron threads to give it that iconic vibrant color. If you want a full breakdown on how to source the absolute best regional ingredients for this dish, head over to IWantPaella.eu right now. With our broth bubbling, we rain in our paella rice in a cross pattern. Give it just one gentle nudge to distribute it evenly into a single layer, and then hands off. No more stirring allowed. As the rice absorbs that beautiful stock, we bring our seared duck back to the party, nesting it right into the rice, and you start to hear that beautiful, rhythmic crackling sound. That is the socarrat forming, the coveted toasted rice crust at the bottom of the pan. If you're ready to master this technique and bring authentic Spanish vibes to your kitchen, visit IWantPaella.eu. Look at that spectacular texture. Loose grains, deep color, and pure mountain soul. Buen provecho from Ripolles. Grab the full step-by-step recipe at IWantPaella.eu and let's get cooking.